सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 13, Shloka number 1. Arjuna uvacha Prakritim purusham chaiva Kshetram kshetrajnameva cha etadveditumicchami ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं च केशव. Lord Krishna entering into the third Shatkam, in which Asipada Vichara is going to take place. By this teaching, that means the third Shatkam completes that Mahavakya Vichara. Third Shatka means the 13th chapter onwards up to 18th chapter. In this chapter, 13th chapter, Lord Krishna dealing with 6 topics. Those 6 topics Arjuna is asking here. He wants to know, what do you mean by Kshetram, Kshetrajnaha, Purushaha, Prakritihi, Jnanam, Gneyam? So all these 6 topics he is asking in this first verse. Prakritim Purusham Chaiva Kshetram Kshetrajnameva cha. Jnanam Gneyam cha. The first topic is Prakriti. Second topic is Purusha. Kshetram, third topic. We can take topic in the sense term. Kshetram means what? Kshetrajnaha eva also anartham. Kshetrajnam api also I want to know. Second line la Jnanam, the 5th topic. 6th one is Gneyam. Etat veditum ichchami. All these terms I want to know. Etat means all these 6 terms, 6 group, Shatkam we can say. 6 of them I want to know. He Keshavan. Lord Krishna addressed by Arjuna here as Keshavan, the one who is the destroyer of Keshi Rakshasa. Lord Krishna destroyed the Rakshasa named as Keshi. Therefore Lord Krishna is called as Keshava. Hey Keshava, please teach me about all these terms, because I want to know all of them. Ichchami means I desire. I am interested in knowing. Veditum means interested in knowing. So interested in knowing is very important throughout life. Interested in knowing something. That the quest, the desire, the inquisitiveness, we can call it as inquisitiveness or interest in knowing something. That something must be higher. I want to know so many things in that. But it must be useful for my spiritual upliftment. That is Veditum Ichchami. How many questions Arjuna asking Lord Krishna? How many of us we are asking? We are not asking. Namak questions varadu. First thing. So the more you listen and all, that inquisitiveness has to increase in the person. So somebody teaches, let us listen. Adi vere vishayam. Then some questions should come in our mind. Idu eppadi, adu eppadi. Questioning nature is good actually. But we should know when to ask, how to ask. One thing, first, questioning nature is good. That's why children, when you see them, always they question, why this? Why this? No. Maximum time we will shut their mouth because we do not know the answer. Therefore, we shut their mouth. By that time, they listen from us, shut your mouth, I don't know. Children are fed up, they stop asking. You are closing the intellect of the children not to develop the questioning nature. So children, you have to always give answer because we don't like. Why we don't like? Because we don't know the answer. That's why I don't like the children to ask the question. Many teachers are like that only. Many teachers in the sense, maximum, the student raise the question they don't like. Sit down, Nanna. Sit down and challo. But a real teacher is one who allows the student to ask the question. Otherwise, the student's mind will be blocked. If the teacher is not answering the question, the student mind is blocked, it is not open to listen. So the student mind is not available for listening. That's what teacher is doing indirectly. Students will disappear after some time. But we should not ask in the class itself. Personally we can ask. We can write in the paper. We can put in the box. So that teacher will see one day or other. She will clarify in the class itself. There are different methods to ask a question. Our question may not be relevant to all people. Is it not? That's why in group we should not ask the question. Personally we can ask. Or we can write and give the chit to the teacher. Next class she will clarify that doubt. So Arjuna asking many questions in the whole Bhagavad Gita. Lord Krishna with a lot of patience. He is waiting for a question, Lord Krishna. Our Sarvajnaha, he knows everything. So such a teacher is very, very important to improve our knowledge. So Lord Krishna is going to answer from the second shloka. So in the last class I said the 6 topics can be converted into 3 topics. All the 6 topics can be converted into 3 topics. First group we can make it Prakriti and Kshetram can be taken into one group. Achetana Tattvam, insentient group, inert group. What are they? Prakriti and Kshetram. Prakriti and Kshetram. Both are inert, insentient, Jadam. Second group we saw as Purushaha, Kshetrajnaha, Gneyam. In the second group there are 3. All are synonyms. Kshetrajnaha is equal to Gneyam is equal to Purushaha. Prakriti and Kshetram are synonyms for inert matter. Prakriti and Kshetram are synonyms for inert matter. Synonyms means what? Same meaning. Same anartha. Words are different. Terms are different. But their content is same. Both are inert. Jadam. Purushaha, Kshetrajnaha, Gneyam, three put together synonyms, and their content is Chetana Tattvam. Sentiency, sentient, Chetana Tattvam. So second group over. One more left out, Jnanam means here values. Jnana means not knowledge but values. Why it is called Jnanam? Jnana sadhanatvat. Here values, moral, ethical principles are also can be called as Jnanam. Why they are called Jnanam? By following which values in future I will get that knowledge, Atma Jnana. These are all the stepping stones, Jnanam. Amanitvam onwards he starts. Big list he gives. So three groups, Jnanam is the values. Now let us enter into the second shloka. Lord Krishna is going to begin his teaching, a grand teaching now. Not ordinary teaching, very, very grand teaching. Shri Bhagavanu Vacha Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetramityabhidhiyate Etadyo veti tam prahuh Kshetrajna iti tadvidah. From second shloka onwards up to seventh shloka, Lord Krishna is going to deal with Kshetram and Kshetrajnaha. Kshetra Kshetrajna Varnanam. Varnanam is a description. Description of Kshetram, description about Kshetrajnaha. First, second shloka, he is combining Kshetram and Kshetrajnaha. Simultaneously is going to explain because both are interrelated. That's why he want to explain. Kshetram Prakriti Cholala Bhagavan. First group lo one, second group lo one, Bhagavan is taking now. Kshetram Kshetrajnaha. Then later he explained Purushaha Prakriti. Purushaha Prakriti pair. Kshetram Kshetrajnaha pair. One sentient, one insentient. One sentient, one insentient combination. What is the secret? I will tell you later. When we go through the sloka, you come to know. Sri Bhagavanu Vacha. Lord Krishna said, answering to Arjuna's question, He Kaunteya. O Arjuna. Kaunteya ne Kunti Putraha Kaunteya. Maternal lineage. The aunt. Kunti Devi is auntie. Maternal father's sister's son. Vasudeva's sister Kunti Devi's son Arjuna. So Vasudeva's son Krishna. So Atta Payanan Chulva. Atta Payanan another Kunti Putraha Kaunteya. Hey Kaunteya. Idam Shariram Kshetram iti abhidhiyate. You asked for Kshetram Veditum Ichhami. I want to know about Kshetram. You know what is Kshetram? Kshetram is nothing but Idam Shariram. This body alone is called as Kshetram. This body, physical body, is called kshetram. Kshetram iti, thus, as an artha. This body is called as kshetram iti. Uchi kshetram idam shariram. Our நீங்க நினைக்கணும், ஓகே, கிருஷ்ணா இஸ் ஷோயிங் ஹிஸ் ஓன் பாடி. இதம் சரீரம். இல்லைன்னா அர்ஜுனன் பேட்டிங் அர்ஜுனாஸ் ஷோல்டர். இதம் சரீரம் கௌந்தேய க்ஷேத்திரமித்யபிதீயதே. அர்ஜுனா ஜஸ்ட் புட்டிங் ஹிஸ் ஹேண்ட் ஆன் த பாடி அர்ஜுனாஸ் ஷோல்டர்ஸ். இதம் க்ஷேத்திரம் இது அபிதீயதே. இன் வெரி க்ளோஸ் அர்ஜுனா. ஆர் கிருஷ்ணாஸ் ஓன் பாடி ஹி மே பி ஷோயிங் இதம் சரீரம். Idam shariram. This body is called kshetram. Abhidhiyate, known as, called as. Kshetram iti abhidhiyate. Etat yaha vetti. This body, yaha vetti, whoever, which knows this body. This body known by whom, you can take like that. The knower of this body is called kshetrajnaha. Yaha vetti kshetram, saha kshetrajnaha. Patakarta patagnaha. Okay, patana tuni, cloth. Ghatasya karta ghatagnaha. He knows how to do ghatam. This kshetrasya karta kshetrajnaha. The knower of this body, how to manufacture this body, he knows. Therefore he is called what? Kshetrajnaha. Yaha sakshi vetti. Tam sakshinam. Etat means this is the consciousness principle. Etat, this body, etat, yaha sakshi, vetti, tam sakshinam, witnesser, experiencer. Here sakshi is not there in the shloka. Shankaracharya says, we have to supply. The knower of this body is called kshetrajnaha. Gnaha knower. Knower of kshetram, body. Therefore it is called kshetrajnaha. Who is the knower, experiencer and witnesser of this body is called sakshi in artha. That sakshi, witnesser, experiencer, awarer of this body, knower of the body, yaha sakshi, sakshi, yaha sakshi, etat, this body, vetti, yaha sakshi, etat, yaha sakshi, vetti, etat, vetti knows. Sakshi knows this body, tam, appadipatta sakshi in artham. Tam, that sakshinam, tam, kshetrajnaha iti, is known as kshetrajnaha. Who says this? Lord Krishna never say. Na children cholala. I am saying the knower of this body is the kshetrajnaha. I am not saying tadvidaha prahu. Seek the greatness of Lord Krishna. I am telling and cholala. Tadvidaha prahu. Very important. Wise men declare. Lord Krishna accepting the wise people's statement. Arjuna, wise people say like this. What wise people say, you know? The knower of this body is called kshetrajnaha. This is what wise people say. And this body is called kshetram. Wise people say. Because Krishna அவதாரத்துக்கு முன்னாடியே சிருஷ்டி இருக்கா இல்லையா? பிரம்மன் இருக்காரா இல்லையா? Jnanis were there or not? So Krishna avatar only in Dwapara Yuga. How many yugas were over before Krishna? 2 yugas. Before Krishna, Rama was there. Before Rama, Kali Yugam was there. Krita Yugam was there. In Krita Yuga also Brahman was there or not? So wise people were there even before Treta Yuga. Krita Yuga la irukkanga. That's why Lord Krishna says, Tadvidaha prahuhu. What do you mean by Tadvidaha? The knower of that. Tat means that. Vidaha means knowers. Knowers of that means wise people and ardham. Knower of that, that is nothing but Paramatma. Paramatma knowers, wise people, wise men, prahuhu, declare. Very simple, innocent shloka. How much depth is there, no? Shankaracharya writes, why this body is called Kshetram? He gives 3 meanings. Why this body is called Kshetram? Ye Kshetram ani sollana in the odambuke. What are those reasons? First reason he gives, Kshayati iti Kshetram. All derivative meanings. Beautiful meaning. Kshayati iti Kshetram. That which disintegrate. That which will decay. That which decay or that which disintegrate is called Kshetram. Since this body, Kshayati, perish, it is of the nature of perishing. It is of the perishing nature. Kshayati. And tuberculosis enna peru theriyumo? Kshaya Vyadhi. Kshaya Vyadhi enna artham? Kusinchu decay body, whole body disintegrate. No? Adida Kshayam. This body nature is what? One day or other, Kshayati iti Kshetram. This is the first meaning. Second meaning, Acharya gives, Kshatatranat Kshetram. Kshatatranat Kshetram. That means, this body is called a Kshetram because it saves a person from problems. Tranat means that which protects. That which protects, saves the person from what? Janana, Marana, Samsara, Chakra. Vyadhi, Jara, Marana, Samsara, Chakrathilirindi Punya, Papa, Sanchita, Prarabdha, Agami, Karma, Larindi, Vedlila Vartikaha. This body saves the Jiva. Inside Jiva is their individual. This body protects, helps him, save him to avoid further Janma, Marana, Chakra. If you utilize properly. Kshatatranat Kshetram. Further bodies, further Janma, Sanchita, Agami, Prarabdha, எல்லாத்துமே அதில் வந்து ப்ரொடெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்காக இந்த உடம்பே கொடுத்துருக்கா. இவன் என்ன பண்ணுறான்னா இன்னும் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கா. Okay, next body also like that only. Another body, exhaustion, accumulation. Exhaustion, accumulation. If I know this fact, this body is the last physical body for me, further no more other Janma, Marana, Vyadhi and all those things. And this meaning is very useful, no? Very relevant. Chatatranat Kshetram. Third meaning is Kshetravat Kshetram. It serves like an agricultural land. Kshetram, Bhumi, agricultural land, where they get lot of paddy. They cultivate lot of grains and all they get. It serves like a agricultural land. That Bhumi also is called Kshetram. This body is also called Kshetram. This is also like agricultural land. For this, Shankaracharya writes further elaboration. Why this is called agricultural land? Like agricultural land, because Just as in that agricultural land, they sow the seed. By sowing the seed, they get fruits, they get grains, they get lot of phalam. Without the land, the seed cannot sprout. Without the land, seed cannot sprout. Without seed, without sprouting, no fruits are available. So seed, land, fruit. Fruit is available only from the seed. Seed cannot give directly fruit. So in between, what is the resource to get fruit? Land. So seed, land and fruit. Phala. Like that, this body is a land where you sow the karma. Your karma to perform, this is the land. You perform lot of duties, karmas. You sow the karma in this body's land. And that land, kshetram, produce what? Karma phalam. Sukha, dukkha, karma phalam. Punya, papa, karma phalam. How beautiful. So this body is that which helps to do punya, papa, karma. After punya, papa, even you can nullify all of them, come out of karma also. Karma kshetram, this is. Karma kshetram. Karma kshetram means karma bijam. Then it will become a phalakshetram. Karma phalam. Karma phalam. So kshetram, this body is called kshetram. Now, kshetra means not only this body, the entire universe is called kshetra. Further development. Every word is very, very terse meaning is there. Every object in the world, whatever you experience, whatever you see, is called kshetram. The entire universe. Whatever you come to know. Body you experience, objects you experience people. So all of them comes under what? Kshetra. This body also kshetra. Including your mind. Because you experience your mind. Mind also comes under kshetra. In that mind, emotions are also comes under kshetra. Why? You know your emotions. All your emotions, we know. So therefore, I the knower kshetrajnaha. Who is the kshetrajnaha now? Atma is the kshetrajnaha. I am the knower of this mind, emotions. I am the knower of this physical body. Experiencer. Ella theriyadhu mutti vali, pallu vali, kannu vali, ella theriyadhu illiyo. Experiencer of this physical body. I am the experiencer of the entire universe. Therefore, I am kshetrajnaha. Body, mind, complex, entire universe is kshetram. Why I am claiming myself as kshetrajnaha? Because Krishna said, the knower of the kshetram is called kshetrajnaha. Our Julitar, you are kshetrajnaha, Krishna Arjunarki. We have to extrapolate now. This is a corollary. Once Lord Krishna said, wise people declare that knowers of this body, kshetram, is called kshetrajnaha. Now I have to apply to me. I am the knower of my mind. My mind means I am the knower of my depressed mind, suppressed mind, oppressed mind, frustrated mind, happy mind, peaceful mind. அதில் என்ன சந்தேகமா? ஐயோ அது நல்லா தெரியறது சுவாமினி, அது சொல்லவே வேண்டாம்னா. That means I am the knower. That means I am the kshetrajna. And I am the knower of the body also. I am experiencing the body. Seeing the body, experiencing the body. Weight தெரியறது நல்லா தெரியறதுன்னா 80 kgs 70 kgs நல்லா தெரியறது. என்னென்ன தகராறு பண்றது கூட எல்லாம் தெரியறது பாடி. I am kshetrajna. Kshetrajna is different from kshetram or not? Knower of something is different from that something. I know this clip. Am I different from the clip or not? இதெல்லாம் சொல்ல வேண்டாம் இங்க இந்த ஸ்லோகம்ல. பட் ஐ எம் நாட் ஏபிள் டு ரெசிஸ்ட் மை செல்ஃப். இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்லோகம் வந்து ஐ லூஸ் ஹோல் திங். லூஸ் இன் த சென்ஸ், நாட் லூஸ். ஓகே. ఇంకా the subject goes into so deep, and the knower of clip cannot be the clip. Okay, I know the pot. Ghatagnaha I am. No, if now I know, I experience the pot. I am not the pot. I experience the body. I am not the body. அதுதான் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. இதுன்னு பாட் கொஞ்சம் தூரமா இருக்கு. I am not the pot ன்னு சொல்லலாம். But body is so close, I am not able to சொல்ல முடியல அது. But Shastra says whether it is far or close, you are knowing, no? You are knowing. Therefore, you are not the body. So, mind is much closer. Mind is much closer than body, physical body. So, therefore, I am not the mind. I am not the mind. Mano buddhi ahankara chittani naham. Therefore, kshetrajnaha tadvidaha. The knowers. So consciousness and artham. Vetti yaha vetti and there is a conscious principle which knows. Who is that conscious principle now? I am. The knower of the body, mind, I am. I am conscious of. I am conscious of my mind. I am conscious of my body. I am conscious of all things. So I am conscious of. Therefore my name is what? Consciousness. My name is called consciousness. Why? I am conscious of what? Body, mind, world. Therefore what is my name? Consciousness. In Sanskrit they call it a Chaitanyam, Atma. So original name is what? My name? Consciousness. I am consciousness principle. Then what? I am the consciousness principle, not the part of the body, property of the body. I am not the product of the body. Yeah. I am the knower of the body. Therefore, how can I become part of the body? How can I become product of the body? How can I become property of the body? Am I product of the clip? Am I property of the clip? Am I part of the clip? The clip பாருங்க. No, I am different from the clip. அதே மாதிரி I am the consciousness is not the part of the body, property of the body, product of the body. Second point is what? I am the consciousness independent entity. Independent இருக்கேன் நான் தனியா. Independent entity pervading the whole body. I am consciousness entity independent of the body, pervading the whole body. Inside the body, outside the body. Third point, I, the consciousness, enlivens the body. Why? The kshetram is jadam, like chair, desk madri. I, the consciousness, make the body sentient, enlivens the body. Na illenna in the body cannot be alive. I enliven the body. Body. This is third point. What is the fourth point? Fourth point is, I, the consciousness, survives the death of the body. I, the consciousness, Chaitanyam, Atma principle, survives the death of the body. Means, after the fall of the body, also I survive. Last point. But I, the consciousness, cannot be transactable without the body medium. I, the consciousness, cannot be transactable without the body medium. This is the 5-point design of consciousness. Because of intimacy close to this body, what happening? This kshetram and consciousness mixture, chetanam and achetanam, both are together. This mixture alone is the whole drama. எங்க பார்த்தாலும் ரெண்டு தான் இருக்கு. What are they? பார்ப்பவன் பார்க்கிற பொருள். எந்த பொருள் பார்க்கிறோமோ அது ஒரு பொருள், ஜடம். பார்ப்பவன் சைத்தன்யம், sentient. So because of this intimacy with the body, consciousness appears as integral part of the body. ரொம்ப intimacy. அதுக்கு தான் இன்டெக்ரல் பார்ட்டை தோணும், ஆனாலும் அது கனெக்ஷனே கிடையாது. Another important point, consciousness, I, the consciousness, am not bound by, limited by the time and space. I, the consciousness, sentient principle. Body comes and goes. Where time limitation or space limitation are not there for me. Why? I am in this body, I am in that body, I am that body, there, every body I am there. In everybody, in every body I am there. All pervading, all pervading. All pervading and I am everywhere. I am in everybody and all pervading. Therefore, I am all pervading consciousness. Who am I? Kshetrajnaha. Where am I? In Kshetram. Kshetram, Kshetrajnaha, how far they are? How many miles far? No gap. Between both of them, no gap. Integral. Very, very intimate. How much close? How much close? Don't know. That much close. You cannot talk about the distance between Kshetrajnaha and Kshetram. Try. பிரிச்சு பாருங்க. க்ஷேத்திரம் இங்கே, க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞா இங்கேனா கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டன்ஸ், இவ்வளோ கொஞ்சம் டிஸ்டன்ஸ் இருக்கா, இவ்வளோ டிஸ்டன்ஸ். முடியாத காரியம், பிரிக்கவே முடியாதுன்னா. பாவம் இந்த ஆத்மா போய் அந்த சரீரில் போய் மாட்டின்னு பிரிக்கவே முடியாத ஒரு அளவுக்கு இருக்கேன்னா. Why you can't separate? Why you can't separate? Tell me. Because it's all pervading. It is all pervading, you cannot separate. If you take separate, from there I have to bring out. What? Atma. I, the Atma, want to come out of the Sariram. I cannot. Why? I am all pervading. Next shloka. Further he is explaining elaborately. Third shloka. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi sarva kshetreshu bharata క్షేత్ర క్షేత్రజ్ఞయోర్జ్ఞానం యత్తద్ జ్ఞానం మతం మమ. Further, Lord Krishna clarifies. Hey Arjuna, may you know vidhi, mam vidhi, may you know me. Mahavakyam. This is a Mahavakya sloka. May you know me as what? Kshetrajnam cha api mam vidhi. May you know that I am the Kshetrajnaha. Lord Krishna is Paramatma. Lord Krishna is Paramatma. This Kshetram irikkiravana Jivatma. Very interesting. Parangu. This person, individual Arjuna, is Jivatma. Individual. And Arjuna, the body, Arjuna la irikira body, knower is Kshetrajnaha. Isn't it? I am, until now what we saw, second shloka lo, I am the knower of the body, I am the knower of the mind, I am the knower of the entire universe, I am Kshetrajnaha, I said. Every one of us what? Kshetrajnaha. Krishna Paramatma says, this Jivatma is Kshetrajnaha. No, the Jivatma is Kshetrajnaha. Bhagavan Krishna says, Kshetrajnam cha mam iti vidhi. Aidi Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma, and the Kshetrajnan irkane, Jivatma. Yaar, அந்த கிளாஸ்ல உட்கார்ந்து கேட்டு இருக்கா சுவாமினி கிளாஸ். All those Kshetrajnas are also Arjuna, me అని తెలుసుకో అన్నారు. Who is me? Paramatma. Aidi Krishna Paramatma is the Kshetrajna of every body. కొంచెం కష్టం, తిరిగి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ పண்றேன். See, I said I am Kshetrajnaha. Every one of us claiming I am Kshetrajnaha, Kshetrajnaha. In a simple logic, Kshetram janati iti Kshetrajnaha. Kshetram janati iti Kshetrajnaha. I am the individual soul, Jivatma, நான் the Kshetrajnaha. இல்லையோ? இப்போ பகவான் என்ன சொல்றார் கிருஷ்ணர், அந்த க்ஷேத்திரம் தெரிஞ்சவன், க்ஷேத்திரம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறானே ஒருத்தன் அந்த உடம்புல, அந்த கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் பிரின்சிபல், Kshetrajnaha, the knower of that body, that Kshetrajnaha am myself. Krishna Paramatma says, I am the Kshetrajnaha. Kshetrajnam chapi mam vidhi. அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐதி பரமாத்மா, I am that Kshetrajna who is Jivatma. அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐதி பரமாத்மா is not different from the Kshetrajna who is Jivatma. மகாவாக்கியம். ஜீவாத்மா ஏவ பரமாத்மா. எவ்வளவு சிம்பிள் பாருங்க பகவத்கீதா. இது 10 ஜென்மா கூட காமெண்ட்ரி படிச்சுனா புரியாது. క్లాస్లో టీచర్ ముఖతయా యూ హ్యావ్ టు లిసన్ అగైన్ అండ్ అగైన్. సింపుల్. ద నోవర్ ఆఫ్ ద బాడీ ఈజ్ క్షేత్రజ్ఞ. దట్ క్షేత్రజ్ఞ, లార్డ్ కృష్ణ సేస్, ఐ ది పరమాత్మ ఈజ్ దట్ క్షేత్రజ్ఞ. దేర్ ఫోర్ దట్ జీవ క్షేత్రజ్ఞ, ஆத்மா, ஐ தி பரமாத்மா ஆர் நான் டிஃபரெண்ட். நான் சொல்லல, கிருஷ்ணர் சொல்றாரு பாருங்க. க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞம் சாபி ச அபி. சாபி என்ன என்ன சாப்பா என்ன அது சா அபி க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞ. க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞ ஜீவாத்மா. அபி மாம். மாம் என்ன இங்கிலீஷ் மாம். மாம் என்ன பரமாத்மா. ఇది విద్ధి, தெரிஞ்சுக்கோ, புரிஞ்சுக்கோன்னு அர்த்தம். வித்தி வேறனா? In which body? Sarva kshetreshu. In all bodies. How many kshetrajnas are here? How many students are there? So many kshetrajnas are there. Sarveshu sharireshu. Sarva kshetreshu na sarva sharireshu. சர்வ சரீரேஷு சர்வ க்ஷேத்ரேஷு ஹே பாரதா சர்வ க்ஷேத்ரேஷு மாம் க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞः இதி வித்தி. க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞः சர்வ க்ஷேத்ரேஷு, தட் க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞ 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 எத்தனை க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞ இருக்கானோ அது நானேதான் சொல்றார். மாம் வித்தீன். Whoever is having this knowledge, அதுதான் ஞானம் அர்ஜுனா. வேறு ஞானமே கிடையாது உலகத்துல. அந்த ஞானம் இல்லை, ஞானமே இல்லை. கோல்டு மெடலே கிடையாது. சும்மா இந்த ஞானம் க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ ஞானம். செகண்ட் லைன் க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞ. இப்போ நமக்கு செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல க்ஷேத்ரம் ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையா? The body is kshetram. Whatever you experience, the world is, the entire universe is kshetram. Second line la kshetrajnaha nu yaru sonnaru. இந்த க்ஷேத்திரம் ஞானம் வந்தது, க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞனுடைய ஞானம் வந்தது. இப்போ தேர்ட் ஸ்லோகால ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் என்ன சொன்னாரு? க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ ஞானம் சொன்னாரு. நமக்கு ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையா? அந்த க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞ யார்? அந்த பரமாத்மான்னு தெரிஞ்சுதா இல்லையா? இப்படி அந்த பரமாத்மா இஸ் none other than க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞஹ who is in the body, every body, சர்வ தேஹேஷு சர்வ க்ஷேத்ரேஷு. that Paramatma is Jivatma. Jivatma alone is Paramatma. See, sarva kshetreshu kshetrajnaha mam vidhi, Krishna says. May you know, I the Paramatma is in the form of kshetrajna in everybody. But in the Jivatma, Paramatmave Jivatma annar. நான் தான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கொன்னார். ఇప్పుడు இந்த జీవాత్మ என்ன ஆயிடுவாரு? పరమాత్మ. దానికి దీనికి సరిపోయింది. పరమాత్మ జీవాత్మ, జీవాత్మ ఏవ పరమాత్మ. இப்போ ஞானம் வந்ததா இல்லையா? வரதான் நினைக்கிறேன். இப்போ கூட வரலன்னா அவ்வளோதான், ஓடி போயிடுவேன் நான். இந்த 3 ஸ்லோகம் ஓவர் வேதாந்தா. செகண்ட் ஸ்லோகா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன், செகண்ட் லைன், தேர்ட் ஸ்லோகா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன், ஹோல் டீச்சிங் இஸ் ஓவர். இது மேல சொல்ல முடியாது. ஓகே, க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ ஞானம். இந்த க்ஷேத்திரம் அங்கிறது ஆப்ஜெக்டிவ் வேர்ல்ட், நோன், சேத்தனம் அச்சேதனம் பிரபஞ்ச, அச்சேதன சரீரம், அச்சேதன மனஹ, known by the consciousness principle. க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞஹ க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞஹ ஞானம். ஞானம், that is the ஞானம். க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ ஞானம். எது ஞானம்? க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ. எந்த ஞானம் இருக்கோ, எந்த ஞானம்? க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ ஞானம். வாட் எவர் நாலேஜ் இஸ் தேர் அபவுட் திஸ் க்ஷேத்ரம் அண்ட் க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞஹ, that alone is the knowledge. தத் ஞானம். க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ ஞானம். யத் ஞானம் மதம் மம. That alone is the knowledge. All other knowledges are not knowledge at all. Namke vasti knowledge. அதெல்லாமே தத் ஞானம் means it is true knowledge. க்ஷேத்ர first line la tat, where is the tat? Yat tat jnanam is there. Second line, second quarter, third sloka. Look into the sloka. Third sloka, second line, second quarter la yat tat jnanam is there. How you split? Yat tat. Yat jnanam. க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ யத் ஞானம் அஸ்தி தத் ஞானம் மதம் மம. தத் ஞானம், அதுதான் ஞானம். அப்பா அண்ணா, எந்த ஞானம் இருக்கோ க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞனை பத்தி, அந்த ஞானம்தான் ஞானம். தத் ஞானம். யத் ஞானம் க்ஷேத்ர க்ஷேத்ரஜ்ஞயோஹோ யத் ஞானம் அஸ்தி ததேவ ஞானம். தத் ஞானம் மதம் மம. ஐ கன்சிடர். மை கன்டென்ஷன் ஐ கன்சிடர் இல்ல. திஸ் இஸ் த ரிகாக்னிஷன். என்னுடைய அபிப்பிராயம், மை ஒப்பீனியன். இதெல்லாம் ஒப்பீனியன் கிடையாது. This is not my belief, this is not my opinion, this is not my contention. Matam mama anna என்னுடைய. மத்தம் என்ன அர்த்தம்? லிட்டரல் மீனிங் இஃப் யூ டேக், என்னுடைய ஒப்பீனியன். மத்தம் என்ன தெரியுறது இப்போ புரியுறதா? ரிலிஜியன். மத்தம் ஏன் வந்தது அதுக்கு பேர் தெரியுமா? நமக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது பாருங்க. இப்போ திங்க் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். ஹிந்து மதம், கிறிஸ்து மதம், இஸ்லாம் மதம். மத்தம் என்ன அர்த்தம் தெரியுமா? மத்தம் என்ன? மை ஒப்பீனியன், மை அபிப்பிராயம், ஐ கன்சிடர், மை கன்டென்ஷன். இங்க மத்தம் என்ன? என்னுடைய அபிப்பிராயம். கிருஷ்ணனோட மீனிங், அர்ஜுனா திஸ் இஸ் மை அபிப்பிராயம், திஸ் இஸ் மை ஒப்பீனியன். திஸ் இஸ் நாட் ஒப்பீனியன், திஸ் இஸ் ட்ரூ நாலேஜ். Here, mattam means what we have to take or translate? Recognition. This recognition alone is called knowledge. This understanding alone is called knowledge. There is no other knowledge in the world equal to this knowledge. Other than this knowledge, any knowledge is not at all a knowledge. Other than this kshetra kshetrajna jnanam, other than this knowledge, there is no second knowledge in the world. What about that knowledge? Adalla aparavidya. Ve vidye veditavye. Aparavidya. Aparavidya hi avidya. Adhukku reason irukku. Why they are all not jnanam? Idudha jnanam. Yat jnanam tatheva jnanam solrar. Matam mama. Ye appadi enna? Two reasons. All those materialistic knowledge, other than this spiritual knowledge, Brahma Jnanam, I am the consciousness principle pervading in all bodies. I am the knower of the body, mind, complex, entire university. University only. Universe. This knowledge is the true knowledge. Spiritual knowledge, liberating knowledge. All other university, MBA, MBBS, engineering, computer science, MCA, CAT, RAT, MAT என்ன படிக்கிறான் இல்லையா, அந்த படிப்பெல்லாம் கூட அபராவித்யா, materialistic science. All materialistic sciences, their knowledge is avidya. It is as good as avidya, ignorance. adilla knowledge kediyadappa. But people run towards that knowledge. Pavam, pity of them, no? Pity of them. They don't, because they don't have qualification to enter into this university, Kesari High School. Okay, they are not qualified. இதுக்கு குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் என்ன? நிறைய புண்ணியம் பண்ணிருக்கணும். இந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கு வரணும்னா, எங்க கீதா கிளாஸுக்கு போய் படிக்கணும்னா, இந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டிக்கு வரணும்னா நிறைய புண்ணியம் பண்ணிருக்கணும். அந்த குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் இல்லை, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்றது? பாவம். ஓகே, so therefore this is my final verdict ன்னு அர்த்தம். மதம் மமா means my final verdict. டிண்டிமான்னு அர்த்தம். I declare this is a knowledge. யார் சொல்றார்? கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மா says. You want such knowledge or not? Paravidya. This is called Paravidya. Supreme knowledge. Liberating knowledge. That is the first reason. That's why Narada, after studying lot, Soham Bhagavaha Sochami, please help me to cross this samsara, Narada asked Sanasujata. After studying, என்னெல்லாம் படிச்சுட்டு வந்துட்டா, ஒண்ணுமே புரியல. சோகமோ சோகம் நாரதனுக்குன்னா, பிரம்ம வித்யத்துக்காக ஓடி ஓடி வந்துட்டான். அது மாதிரி மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் சயின்ஸ் நாலேஜ் will not liberate. This knowledge only will liberate. This is the first reason. Second technical reason is, all materialistic knowledge deal with matter. All the materialistic knowledge, any science, any subject for that matter, other than Atma Jnanam, any science, that knowledge deals with the matter. Matter is jadam, inert, mithya. Therefore, your whole education is what? Mithya. பொய்யான ஒரு படிப்புக்கு போய் லட்சக்கணக்கில் செலவு பண்றீங்கன்னா ஏன் கஷ்டப்படுறேன்? இந்த கிளாஸுக்கு ஒன்றும் கஷ்டப்படவே வேண்டாம், அப்படியே வந்து சும்மா காது அப்படி கொடுத்தா போதும். பீப்புள் ஆர் நாட் நோயிங். ஆயாசப்பட்டுட்டு கஷ்டப்பட்டு படிக்கிறான், அந்த படிப்பே இல்லைன்னு சொல்றாரு பகவான். என்ன? மேட்டர். மேட்டர் இஸ் இன்சென்ஷியன்ட். Insentient means inert. Inert means mithya. Mithya means unreal. The whole your knowledge also become what? Unreal. When you materialistic science based on matter, matter is unreal. Mithya means unreal, false. But your knowledge also false. Whereas spiritual knowledge based on spirit. Spirit is sentient. Sentient, whatever is sentient is satyam, true. Your knowledge is true. So your knowledge about Atma is true knowledge. Therefore, never encourage your children to struggle for the stomach's sake. என்ன சுவாமி உலகம் எல்லாம் ஓடிட்டு இருக்கு, அப்படி போயிட்டு போகட்டும். Let that world runs. Why you want to push your children? Make them to stand unique, not BA, MA, MBA and done. You have to pitch them that. அப்படி begging தான். யாருக்கிட்ட போய் சர்வ் பண்ணி வேலை பண்ணி நானா கஷ்டப்பட்டுட்டு எதுக்கு? அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மின்னு சொல்ற ஞானம் வந்தா உலகத்துல அதை விட வேற. அம்மா சுவாமி நீங்க அப்படிதான் சொல்லுவேள், எவ்வளவு சொன்னாலும் ஆஹா தெரியாதே. படு மனமே படு. என்ன பண்றது? ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 4. தக்ஷேத்ரம் யச்சயா த்ருக்ஷ யத்விகாரி யதஸ்ச யத் சச்சயோ யத் பிரபாவஸ்ச தத் சமாசேன மே ஸ்ருணு. So when I look at consciousness as a total, I am Paramatma. When I look at the consciousness from individual level, I am Jivatma. Therefore, நானே தான் எல்லாமே. நானே பரமாத்மா, நானே ஜீவாத்மா. எப்போ இந்த உடம்பு மூலம் வழியா பார்த்தா நான் ஜீவாத்மா. From all bodies standpoint, I am Paramatma. Now Bhagavan is elaborating the second topic. First topic, Kshetram Kshetrajnaha, he has given little explanation. Now he wants to explain about the Kshetram. What is you mean by Kshetram? Yat tat Kshetram. First question. What is that Kshetram? Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetram and Cholitar. What is this Shariram? What is this Kshetram Shariram? Listen from me. Yat tat Kshetram. Tat Kshetram yat. What is that Kshetram? Question number 1. Yadrik, of what nature it is? What is the nature of this Shariram, Kshetram? Number 2. அது கூட நான் சொல்ல போறேன். Yadvikari, what modification does it have? Or of what effects it has got? Effects. What are the products with which endowed with? This is the effect, na? Karyam, body, Shriram. This effect endowed with what? Vikari, na karanam. In the Shriram, body, what effect it is means its cause is what? This is effect. Of what effect it is? This is effect. Of what? Karanam is what? cause. What is that cause? Then, this is the third question over. Then fourth one, yat yataha. From which it has come. Which effect comes out of which cause? This effect came from which cause? Third question. And I want to explain you which effect comes from which cause. In the cause, in the effect. In the cause, in the effect. இது சாப்பிட்டா இந்த எலர்ஜி, இந்த சாப்பிட்டா இது எலர்ஜி தெரியுது. அது மாதிரி இந்த எஃபெக்ட் வர்றதுக்கு என்ன காசு, அந்த எஃபெக்ட் வர்றதுக்கு என்ன காசு, அதனுடைய எஃபெக்டினுடைய காசு என்னன்னு தனித்தனியாக டிஸ்டிங்க்ட்லி யூ ஹாவ் டு நோ. 4 over. About Kshetram this is. Then about Kshetrajnaha, what is that Kshetrajnaha? And what glory is it? That Kshetrajna's glory, that also. Saha Kshetrajnaha yaha. Who is that Kshetrajnaha? And who is the Prabhavaha, glory of that Kshetrajnaha? Tat samasena shrunu. May shrunu. From me, may you listen from me clearly, distinctly. Therefore, next week I will give that description. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.